In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share Google Drive pictures. Whether you're new to Google Drive or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can easily and efficiently manage your photos. Let's start with uploading pictures to Google Drive, a user-friendly cloud-based platform that helps you store and access files from anywhere in the world. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Drive. Once you're there, take a look on the left hand side of the screen. You'll notice a prominent button labelled Plus New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to uploading files and creating new documents directly in your Drive. After clicking the Plus New button, a drop down menu will appear. You'll need to select File Upload from this menu. Now this is where you'll choose the pictures you want to store in the cloud. Navigate through your computer's file explorer and find the images you're aiming to upload. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac as you click each picture. Once selected, the upload process will commence automatically, and you'll see a status bar at the bottom right of your screen confirming that your images are being uploaded to Google Drive. With the pictures now safely stored online, let's turn our attention to sharing them. This is an incredibly useful feature of Google Drive, allowing you to collaborate and easily share files with friends, family, or colleagues. Locate the picture you've just uploaded in your Google Drive. If you're using a computer, right-click on the image file. For those on mobile devices, tap the three dots that appear beside the file name. It serves the same purpose. From the menu that appears, choose the Share option. This will open a new dialog box. Here, you'll have two main options to share your image. First, you can directly enter the email addresses of those you wish to share the picture with. Or if you prefer, you can create a shareable link which you can easily copy and send through your preferred communication channel. Before you hit that send button, take a moment to set the sharing permissions to control how others interact with the file. Google Drive offers three permission levels: Viewer, where the recipient can only see the picture; Commenter, which allows them to leave comments; and Editor, giving them full editing capabilities. Choose the one that best fits the nature of your sharing needs. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've not only uploaded your pictures to Google Drive, but you're also ready to share them with ease.